Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a gift card onto your Best Buy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top section and then use your email address and your password or your social accounts to log in. After you have been logged in and taken back into the home page, if you wish to add a gift card, click on the gift card option underneath the search box. This will then take you into the gift card page where you will be able to purchase gift cards from the various different options that are available. In order to add an existing gift card, click on the check card balance option, and now you will be asked to choose between a physical and e-gift card. Just click on the type of gift card that you have and then enter the details. Type in your gift card number followed by the PIN code and then click on the check balance button. Once you proceed forward with this button, your gift card will be activated on your Best Buy account right away, and you will now be able to start using the funds within this card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add gift cards onto your account on Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.